My dudes, this is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk a little bit more details on areas and sectors of circles. So, for example, we have a big wheel that's turning. How many times will the little wheel turn? Well, if we look at circumference of the big one, the circumference is 14 pi. And then if we look at the circumference of the little one, that's going to be 6 pi. Well, they're both circumference, so we can set those equal to each other and say 14 pi will turn this 6 pi one how many times? We divide both sides by pi, and then we have 14 is equal to 6x, and then we divide both sides by 6, and we get some 2 and 2/3. So to spin this around one full time, we'll spin this one 2 and almost a half times after that. So now we have a game, a bullseye game, and we just want to know what's the area of this green circle. So the first thing we're going to do is find the area of the whole green circle and remove the red circle. So if this is 3 and this is 3, the radius is 6. So then we can say the area is 6 squared pi. And then we're going to subtract the area of the small circle, which is 3 squared pi. And I get 36 pi minus 9 pi, which will give me 27 pi, which gives me a number close to 71. So 71 squared inches kind of idea. So let's review sector. Sector is just a portion of the inside. So we have to find the whole area first. So area is going to be 10 squared pi. So we're going to have 100 pi, or 314.35 squared inches. Next, we're saying we just care about 60 degrees of it out of the 360, which is 0.16, or 16% of it. So I'm going to multiply by 0.16, and the sector is going to equal 52.3 repeating squared inches. So just this red portion is 52. The whole circle is that 300 number. Arc length is going to be circumference. So in this case, it's going to be 20 pi, which is 62.8. Again, we're going to multiply it by just the portion that we care about, so from E to D, which is still going to be that 0.16 number, and we get 10.47 inches. So all the way around the circle is 62 inches, just from E to D is 10 inches. And finally, to find the area, I need to find the area of this circle. So area is going to be 3.5 because of half the diameter squared times pi. But since it's a half circle, I'm going to take that answer and divide by 2. When I do that, I get the area of the half circle is 76.9. Next, I'm going to find the area of this triangle. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So the area of the triangle, I get 24.5. I add those together, and I get a final answer of 101.4 meters squared. Other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.